Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to connect Indeed to Claude. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Claude.ai. Once you're on the page, log in using your credentials to access your Claude account. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can start working with AI assistants and manage your various integrations. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the text field where you normally interact with Claude. You'll notice a small plus icon next to it. This icon is your gateway to expanding Claude's capabilities by connecting it with various external tools and services. Go ahead and click on this plus icon to reveal the available options. After clicking the plus icon, you'll see a menu appear. From this menu, click on the option that says Add Connector. This feature allows you to integrate third-party applications with Claude, giving you more powerful functionality and the ability to pull in data from different sources directly into your conversations. Next, you'll see another option appear. Click on Browse Connector to view the full library of available integrations. This is where Claude makes it easy to discover all the different services and platforms you can connect to, making your workflow more efficient and streamlined. Now you'll see a search bar at the top of the connector library. This search function helps you quickly find the specific integration you're looking for without having to scroll through the entire list. Click on the search bar and type in Indeed. This will filter the results and show you the Indeed connector specifically. Once the search results appear, you'll see the Indeed connector displayed. Click on it to select this integration. Indeed is a popular job search platform, and connecting it to Claude allows you to leverage AI assistance for job-related tasks, search optimization, and more. After selecting the Indeed connector, you'll see a button that says Connect. Click on this button to initiate the connection process between Claude and your Indeed account. This step is crucial as it establishes the link between the two platforms. The system will then prompt you with a permission request. This is a standard security measure to ensure you're authorizing the connection. You'll see a button that says Continue. Click on it to grant Claude the necessary access to work with Indeed. This ensures that the integration functions properly and can access the data it needs to assist you. And that's it. You've successfully connected Indeed to Claude, allowing you to enhance your job search and recruitment workflows with AI assistance. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.